Welcome to my channel. Easy installation of the Imou 2MP Wi-Fi camera. Complete walkthrough. Before you start, location. Choose where the camera will go and ensure good Wi-Fi signal there. Proximity. Keep the camera close to your Wi-Fi router for initial setup. Power. Have the power adapter ready to plug in the camera. 1. Download the app. Get the Imou Life app from your phone's app store. 2. Power up. Plug in your Imou camera and wait for the status light to flash, usually green, indicating it's ready. 3. Add device in app. Open the Imou Life app, tap the plus icon, and select Scan QR code. 4. Scan QR code. Position your phone to scan the QR code on the camera body or its box. 5. Connect to Wi-Fi. Follow the app prompts to select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter the password. 6. Complete setup. The camera will connect, and you'll be guided to name the device and adjust settings like motion detection and alerts. 7. Mount and adjust. Once connected, place the camera in its final location and fine-tune its angle for optimal coverage. Thanks for watching.